A few years ago, installing underfloor heating during a renovation was a challenge for most. The primary obstacle? The significant height build-up that traditional screed would add to the flooring. Homeowners face not only the financial burden, but also the disruption of having to dig up floors. However, the landscape has dramatically changed, and we have been at the forefront of this transformation. Our innovative top-low overlay system is specifically designed to be installed directly over existing floors, significantly minimizing height build-up. In fact, our slimmest product allows for the integration of a warm water underfloor heating system with as little as an 18mm profile. This breakthrough now makes underfloor heating more accessible and less invasive for renovation projects, offering comfort without compromise. Imagine returning to a warm, inviting home on a cold winter's night. A well-selected heating system, tailored to your home's specific needs, can substantially reduce energy consumption, leading to lower utility bills. Modern systems, such as heat pumps or high-efficiency boilers, often perform better while using less energy. Since 2007, Underfloorheating1 has partnered with trusted experts, helping hundreds of homeowners, renovators, and self-builders make the right heating choices for their properties. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and we'll be happy to respond. You can also reach out to Underfloorheating1 for free expert advice on selecting the perfect heating system for your project. Our contact details are provided below or on the screen now.